But go back. Okay, so our architecture was tectonic. And does anybody know what that difficult word means? Tectonic. If you're architects, you probably do. But tectonic means it fits the earth. It fits the earth. And look at that. Isn't that incredible? You see, it's built to accentuate the mountain, because God created the mountain. And you can go through the Muslim world and see this everywhere. In Turkey, in Spain, in Morocco. We are tectonic. We want to fit the earth, and we go to Rosales, this beautiful place in Spain. And there's a Moorish house there that goes back to the Muslims of Spain. I believe it was a commander's house, because you had a lot of army people in that place. And he built his house on a hill. And he didn't dig out any of the hill. He built his house over the hill. I just wish I could take you there and show it to you. Perfectly tectonic, because God created the hill. So I'm going to make my house fit the hill. And you've never been in anything like it. It is so beautiful. The airflow is natural. The light flow is incredible. And it's just, you want to be there. You want to stay there. So we were tectonic. Al-Hamra, tectonic. Modern architecture tends to be anti-tectonic. Doesn't want to fit the earth. And modern buildings, many of which are very beautiful, without any question, but they usually say, look at me, look at me, look at me. Even if I'm ugly, look at me. Whereas our buildings say, look at the heavens, look at the earth, look at the mountains. It's different, isn't it? It's different. Let's keep going. Okay, so this is, of course, Konya. And now this is not, there's a lot of Ottoman architecture here, but the main part, that turquoise, a pillar in the middle, of course you know it's Islamic, don't you? But what are they copying? Okay, let's go to the next picture. Do you see any similarity? That is an Armenian church. And so this is Seljuk. The Seljuks who were before the Ottomans, they imitate the Armenian church in their mosques. Their mosques are not Armenian churches, but they build on that in such a way that they honor the Armenians, because the Armenians were the most faithful of all the Middle for centuries and centuries, until the 19th century with the horror of nationalism. So they want to, because we need the Armenians. A lot of Armenians, of course, become Muslims, but we want to show them we respect you, we respect your church, we defend your church. That's what we did, always. And we will also build a mosque that makes you think of how beautiful your churches are. But you know what? Ours are more beautiful. Ours than they are. Keep going. Okay, now we come to the Ottoman Turks. Okay, keep going. Okay, so that is, keep going. Okay, you know what that is, right? Hagia Sophia. The first great church of Christianity, built by Constantine the Great in the 4th century. And of course we inherited because we conquered the city of Constantinople, and actually there are very few Christians left in the city when we conquered it. So we bought it. We didn't take it, we bought it, and then we turned it into a mosque, very respectfully. And there are a lot of frescoes in it. Now it's a museum. You can see the frescoes down below. But we covered the frescoes with a type of whitewash. We didn't destroy them, because we never do that. We just cover them because we don't really want to see them. But we don't destroy them either. That's always what we did. Respect the past. Respect your people. Now the Hagia Sophia will become the conscious model of the Ottoman mosque. Every Ottoman mosque is a takeoff on Hagia Sophia. And you could say the Greek Orthodox Church. Again, just like with the Armenians, we now rule you, and the Orthodox loved us. Believe me, they did. We cleaned up the church, got rid of nepotism and corruption. Okay, the Sultan adopted the church. I will protect you. And he always did that. He protected the Jews. Okay, the Jews loved him because he protected them. Nobody else will protect you. You come to me, I'll take care of you. Okay, so let's keep on. Okay.